machines are. Okay. I need this and this. I need a mic too. My way.
I'm right here.
Go on that side. I need mic. There's a mic. Some of these. Need one of these. What happened to the go juice? Ah. Hidden by the S&S carbonator over there. Installation juice. This here keeps from damaging the heads. It's soft. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
This lubricates the stem. So you don't screw the head up too bad beating them out. Plus all the carbon was already removed because of the blasting. So when you beat the carbon through the head, you don't screw the hole up. I just had a guy want me to fix his head after that happened to at my professional shop. That appears to be a pretty tight installation. So I think that's a good size to put back in.
Okay.
17, 2 over. So we can use good guys or we use crappy guys.
Oh, good is always better.
Oh, these are Rowe, American made.
Is that the good ones?
No.
Oh.
What valves are we using? We're not using the stock ones anymore.
Nope.
I would use these as stock valves.
I know. I don't use those.
They're pretty fitted.
I've saved those for another customer.
The next guy gets those.
Yeah.
So you want to go with the ones that are already here then.
What's the special goop?
See how they made different.
Yep.
Remember how the top was too tall?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Big
No.
difference.
Yeah, these are made for cams. Kibble white. Now there's a gasket you can put in here.
Okay.
I don't use them. When you beat the guy down, the gasket goes like that. That didn't go in as hard as it came out.
No.
But it's an intake, so it's good enough. Exhaust, I put it back out again.
Are those hardened?
No, these are
No,
not
those are
hardened.
hardened.
This one felt like the intake going in, see? So this one is bigger because it came out soft. Ooh, this one's 19 and a half. It's a lot bigger. Probably got all the dashes on there.
Oh, we're going deep now.
So we're going to go up to something bigger. That's what came out. This one they don't make anymore. They don't make this one no more. 5 over.
Oh.
Discontinued. With me being me, I got a lot of inventory. As you can tell, I got more than one valve guide.
Yeah. Got a couple of years.
Couple. See how this feels. there at the end. That'll work. I could go one side bigger if I wanted to beat harder, but that was good enough. Okay, this one. Don't forget to lube.
Goes.
Went that way. Where did it go? You know where it is, don't you?
On the floor?
It's all the way against the wall, all the way back. Everything always stops way in the back. Have you ever noticed that stuff falls behind a bench? It goes as far back as it possibly get.
Yep.
That's where it goes to every time. That's where the magnets see. Alright, what do we got this time? That's a 17 again. Same as the last one. 17 and a half. Does it go in soft because of lube?
It probably helps.
Or because the hole got hogged out when I beat it up? That went in pretty tight. Guy that stops moving all of a sudden on you, don't keep beating on it. Go ahead and push it back in. First put some lube on it, beat it back in, then beat it back out again. Because it gulls up in these things sometimes, or it gets big wad shit up in here. If you just keep beating it out, it just screws the whole lot.
That makes sense.
Same as the last one. More 5 overs. What hole are we on? Exhaust. We're going to use an intake guide.
Yeah, alright.
We're running out of guides.
I doubt that.
They don't make these no more.
Maybe that size.
They don't make this no more. Told you.
Of course, we just went to a whole bunch of guys last night.
Yeah, but they were all wrong size. See, it's already size.
Nice.
No.
Not nice.
It'll shrink slightly, but it's already big. I use home to fit guides. We got home the size. The intakes have a bigger hole in them than the exhaust,
Mm-hmm.
so you don't have the honing as much, which means you can't make a guide perfectly round and true. But being an exhaust doesn't really matter. Alright, so that one's in. See how the intakes are cut tapered?
Yep.
The difference between the intake and exhaust also. That's how they're cut. Usually I just use exhaust on everything. I just want whatever I want. But we're running out of that 5 over. And that 5 over went in tight, so 6 was not an option. Alright, you want these old guides?
Nope.
They're special. Want the old gasket too?
I don't.
And these are collectible OE parts. Put them in those OE valve springs.
Yeah.
Just what you needed. Okay, so now those have to be honed. More pound marks on my gasket board.
Gasket on the top there. Nobody knows what that is until they watch the video.
Okay, that's it for now.